all the cool and powerful updates in Odoo 19.
There's now a personal assistant AI chat agent inside Odoo.
Odoo 19 is really taking things into the next level.
And a major update.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast series where we explore all the cool and powerful updates in Odoo 19. I am Maitri.
And I'm Renzi. Great to be back with our third episode diving into more amazing features of Odoo 19.
Absolutely. In our last episode, we explored improvements in sales and inventory. Today, we have got some exciting stuff in accounting, payroll, time off, sign, partner, and also AI. Let's get started. Let's start with accounting. What's new here in Odoo 19?
Sure, Odoo 19 brings some really thoughtful features. Firstly, we have a details income and expense account with the full text feature supports. So it's much easier to find and filter accounts when working with large data sets.
That sounds super helpful for accountant to handling complex ledgers. And what about tax features?
Good one. Now we have a tax return obligation. This company tracks when returns are due, plus their validation for returns, ensuring everything accurate before submission.
Wow, that reduces compliance headache. I also heard something about invoicing.
Yes, the invoicing app has a level update to followed up, HD report, and even bank sync, so reconciliation become almost seamless.
That powerful for SMEs. They often delay follow-ups and now it's automated. Payroll is always tricky. What's improved in Odoo 19?
Quite a few things. Firstly, work entry now based on a duration instead of typically date range. This makes hourly tracking easier.
That makes sense for shift-based organization.
Exactly. Then we got a difference hour for extra rate comparison, so calculating overtime is smoother. So instead of paying extra hours directly, they go into the balance to pay system.
Oh, nice. That gives HR flexibility, either to compensate with money or time off later.
And a major update, employee and contract now merge into single view, which makes record management easier. Plus, you can now view the history of changes in one place.
That's solid productivity boost for HR teams. Let's move on. Time off model. What's cooking there?
We have a much improved interface, especially for Kanban view and mobile layout. Very user friendly now.
Good news for employees applying leave from phones.
Yes, the localized time of data now synced with a payroll, and public holidays are automatically loaded into database upon creation.
That eliminate repetitive manual setup every year. What's about overlapping request?
Exactly. Odoo now detect overlapping time off and give alerts. Super useful for planning.
A smart HR move there. Let's talk about sign model. I heard some good upgrades.
Yes, you can send an envelope with a multiple documents for signing into single flow. Plus, there a multi-sign interface, letting users handle multiple signatures faster.
That's great for vendors or client who sign in one more than one doc. Any design improvement?
Definitely, more field types and customization options are available, so documents feel more personalized and organized.
Sales time and feel modern. Let's move to the next. Any updates related to partners?
Yes, Odoo now supports partner autocomplete based on done and breed state data. It's game changer for business relying on validated partner info.
That's brilliant for reducing fraud or incorrect data entry. Any new integrations?
Yes, there's fresh integration with Twilio for sending SMS update directly from Odoo.
CRM and marketing team will love this. Real-time updates for customer. Perfect. Last but not least, AI. What magic do we have here?
This is where things get exciting. Odoo 19 now introduced AI field definition. Odoo can suggest field types and model intelligently.
Wow, that's helpful for developers to creating custom apps or fields.
Absolutely. Also, server action now updated based on AI prompt. You described what you want and Odoo has to build it.
No code vibes there. Anything else?
Yes, there's now a personal assistant AI chat agent inside Odoo. It's like having a virtual consultant to guide you, whether you are a search settings, data, or health.
That's totally game changer for new users and admins. That was an incredible walkthrough, Nancy. Odoo 19 is really taking things into the next level.
Absolutely. The more we explore, the more we see how it's evolving to making business very smoother and smarter.
Thanks to everyone who tuned in. If you haven't seen our previous episode, check them out.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. See you in the next episode with more insight.
Until then, keep automating with Odoo.
Bye, Odooers!